In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin quick notes to desktop. If you've ever wanted a small note to stay visible while you work in other apps, this is a simple and reliable way to do it using OneNote Quick Notes. You'll be able to keep a checklist, a reminder, or a short snippet of text on top of everything else, so you don't have to switch back and forth while you focus. First, bring up the specific quick note you want to keep visible. If it's already open, just click it to make sure it's the active window. If you're looking at your main OneNote window, switch to the small floating note window that contains the content you want to see on top. Quick Notes are the compact, movable windows that act like sticky notes and sit outside the full notebook view. With that quick note in front, look to the top of the Notes window for the three dots icon, sometimes called More Options. This is in the Notes' own toolbar, not the main application menu. Click those three dots to open the menu, then go to View and choose Always on Top. The moment you select it, that quick note is forced to stay above other applications, so when you click into a browser, a document, or a spreadsheet, the note remains visible. What this setting does not do is lock the note in place. You can still click and drag the note by its title bar to move it wherever it's least intrusive, like the upper corner of your screen. You can also resize the note by dragging the edges, which is helpful if you want to see just a couple of lines or a longer list. If the note ever seems to vanish, check whether another app has gone full screen or exclusive full screen. Minimize or exit that mode and your pinned note will reappear on the top as expected. Because this is a per note toggle, it applies to the quick note you turned it on for. The benefit is that you can keep one small reminder pinned while other notes behave normally. If you don't immediately see the Always on Top option, confirm you click the three dots on the quick note itself, then open the View section in that menu. In some layouts, the View label is a submenu, so hover for a moment to reveal it. Also make sure the note window is active. The option appears when the correct window has focus. That's all it takes. Open your quick note, use the three dots menu, and turn on View, always on top. With this enabled, your note stays visible, your workflow stays smooth, and your attention stays where it matters.